So hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back if you are new. No, there's not a welcome back if you're new. Welcome if you are new. Anyway, let's do that over. Hi guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you are new. So today we're doing another hair review video. You guys loved my last one, so I thought I'd do another one. I know I promised a UNICE hair review, but I don't have that hair with me right now. So that'll just be my next video. But like I said, you guys loved my last hair review and you wanted me to do another one, so this is another hair review. So the hair I'm wearing right now is UNICE hair. It is 25 inches. It was 26. I got it cut because it was a little too long, and look how long it is, like literally past my waist. So it's hella long for no reason. It's hella long, but yeah, so let's just get started into it. I did not order the hair. I did not order this hair. I did go into the store just so I could see it. So when I got there, I chose Brazilian Body Wave. First complaint about this hair, I don't have a lot of complaints about this hair, let me just start off by saying that, but the first one I will say is when I washed it during my second week. I've had this hair in for a month, so during the second week I washed it, it is body wave, but it didn't, and like when I washed it, like there were just no waves. It was kind of like wet white people hair that naturally have like straight hair. It was just like straight hair, but like a little waves in it just because it was wet. It wasn't like, you know, how you expect body wave to be after you wash it. And my wash was only a co-wash. It wasn't like a deep wash or anything like that. So I was expecting it to have its waves back in there, but it did not. So that's just my complaint. Now we can talk about shedding. So I've had this hair in for about a month, like I said, and it is shedding more now than it was a couple weeks ago. But like I said, that's probably just because I had it in for a month. You know, when I do that, no hair comes out. So the shedding isn't an issue to me at all. The texture and the feel of the hair is very nice. I don't manipulate any of my hair, especially when I'm doing something like a sew-in or a closure. I just tend to leave my hair alone. If I'm not going out, I will have my hair in a ponytail all day long. I'm not running my fingers through it and straightening it for no reason. Like, I have to have a purpose to mess with my hair. That's just to keep my hair in top quality. Whatever hair I have, wigs or not, I do not manipulate it if there's no need to. So like I said, yesterday I stayed home all day and all I did was I kept this in a bun and in a bonnet. So like I said, I don't manipulate this hair too much. I'm not dyeing it as of right now. I don't plan on dyeing it or anything, but if I do, you guys will know and I will record it. But yeah, so the hair has a good feel. It curls nice. These are wand curls because like I said, when I washed it, it just was straight. These are like maybe day old wand curls or like the day before yesterday wand curls. And I just wrapped it back in a bun and slept in it. But the hair was not great after I washed it because it was not wavy anymore. It was just straight, which isn't like a huge issue. It's just I didn't want to have to put waves in it, you know what I'm saying, or like have to put so many waves in it, but it is what it is. As of right now, my review on this hair is that I would buy it again. I would purchase it again, but like I said, I haven't done much to this hair except put it in my head and put a few wand curls in it, and I co-washed it. I did not deep wash it, I co-washed it, so there was not a lot of manipulation on my end. If you're a person that likes to dye your hair and things like that, it's probably isn't the video for you because I'm not dyeing it right now. I don't think I want to, because this hair is just too long for me to like try and ruin. If I were to dye some hair, it would be shorter than this, and I'd probably just do it in a short style just to save a little bit more money. But this hair was like not cheap, so I'm not trying to dye it right now. Not by myself, at least. It would be professional. But yeah, that's all I have for this video, guys. I do like the hair. I would get it again, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.